Na babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa We're in Pampanga community natin. For today's vlog guys, we would like to thank Jolli's Lechon. Sabi niya dito, come and taste the original organic native lechons. They serve lechon Baka, lechon Manok, lechon Baboy, and lechon Tupa. Located sa NG's Building, Mcarthur Highway, Balibago, Angeles City. And on our table, as you can see guys, meron tayong liempo. On my left, meron tayong lechon manok. And in the middle, guys, this is the star for all season. Of course, we all know this guys. Ito ang kanilang lechon baboy. So we're gonna try them. Available sausawan dyan guys ay yung kanilang suka. The other one is yung sarsa. I'm gonna go first with the sarsa. That is so crunchy. Grabe. Sarap na sarsa nila ha. Super. So kuha tayo dito sa mga meat part. So I don't have any knife, I don't have any anything to cut off yung meat natin. But yeah, I'm just gonna use bare hands guys. Ooh. Wow. Sausaw ulit natin dito sa sarsa natin. Later on, tatry pa rin natin yung suka mamaya. But for this one, please allow me to, enjoy the sarsa. Check that out. Sarap guys, super. Again guys, as I said, this is just a quick video to thank Jolli's Lechon for sending us such a generous piece of lechon. Ang sarap guys. If you are interested to order lechon Baka, lechon Manok, lechon Baboy, and lechon Tupa, it is available from them. Man, I'm gonna share this with my family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.